Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add new domain to Hostinger hosting. All right, let's begin. First, log into your Hostinger account and make sure you already have an active hosting plan. From the left menu, click on Websites to view all your existing sites. At the top right, click Add Website. Choose how you want to build your site. You can select WordPress or any other available option. Next, enter an email address and password for your website login, then click Next. Continue through the setup and select a theme if you're using WordPress. Once completed, you will be asked to choose a domain. Paste your domain name here. This domain can be registered with Hostinger or any other provider like Namecheap or GoDaddy. Select Use Existing Domain and continue. After installation, return to the Websites section and locate the new domain. Click Connect to begin verification. Hostinger will provide name servers. Copy these and paste them into your domain registrar's name server settings. Save the changes. Verification may take up to 24 hours. Once completed, your domain will be live and connected to Hostinger. So that's basically how you can add new domain to Hostinger hosting. That's it for this video. Thanks.